Thank you.
Hi, Charlie!
I used to play with Pokemon cards. Nobody does that anymore. I was a 90s baby. What else did I used to do? I used to have kid clips. Does anybody remember what those were? Okay, so I'm not yeah, so what else did we have? I had my Spice Girls CD with a little Iceland on it. 2006, where was I? I was listening to Jackson Elliott and Keith and Sneak, and I'm cool, don't worry. I'm from the East Coast, but I very much respect all of the world. Y'all don't know that yet. Yeah, shout out to the band, seriously, I love all of you. I have one more song for you. You guys have been absolutely brilliant. You made my night. When you hear this song, I want you. What do I want you to do? I want you to go to a special place in your heart and see who it applies to. Someone in your family, a friend that you haven't seen in a long time, someone that you might not see for a very, very long time. And this is the exact same mindset that I was thinking when I wrote this song. It changed my life forever. And I'm always going to end with this. Each set that I play, it doesn't matter what hit is on the radio, I always have to end with this song. It's the rule. It's a very special song to me, and not a lot of people know this version. So if you don't know the words, it's fine. We got 5 minutes left. That's a perfect amount of time to do it. Thank you all very much. My name is Charlie. Please feel free to follow me.
Just